So what you should have learned so far in this introductory lecture is what big data is all about, what is web intelligence, and what is big data analytics. You should be able to answer simple questions that may arise in casual conversations these days about any of these topics already. To test your understanding, we have a small quiz. So please complete that quiz before Monday. Last but not least, please remember to fill the survey questionnaire so that I get to know all of you better. Before wrapping up the week, I'll give you a preview of what's to come in the next few weeks. The next week is all about search and finding stuff. The basic elements of web search, PageRank, and indexing will be covered next week. Normally, this is not a part of what we consider big data or web intelligence. However, I feel it's really important to understand how the web works, how big data at web scale is stored and can be easily accessed, because it's otherwise impossible to deal with other kinds of big data unless one understands these basics. So next week we'll cover search and indexing, ranking, and some relationships to human memory, which might be interesting to some of you. Searching structured data using search techniques rather than database ones. And then get into some slightly advanced topics as well, in particular object search, where we'll study locality-sensitive hashing and touch upon associative memory, both topics very relevant to big data. At the same time, search and indexing and ranking will be really warm-up exercises, easier than the weeks that follow, where we will get into a little more mathematics with machine learning and information theory, followed by big data technology, where we need to understand how databases and distributed systems actually work. So the next week might seem a little easygoing to some of you, and probably will get many of you up to speed so that you're able to handle the challenges of the following weeks. So I look forward to see all of you next week for our first full-blown lecture. See you then.